The wind just came quick, like out of nowhere.
The cleanup has begun, but pesky, strong winds proved to be unrelenting across New Jersey. Aside from the tree in her yard that fell victim, Judy Vescuso and others in this neighborhood in Howell were without power for much of Monday after a couple of trees brought down power lines on Sunday night.
As I went out the back deck, everything just blew up. Like there was just 3 explosions over there. I actually watched it like it was like fireworks, but from the ground up.
I heard a crash, a loud like slamming crack noise. I said, that doesn't sound good.
Rene Boutet saw it too. In fact, it unfolded in his front yard where wires were down, preventing him from being able to leave his driveway.
When I went to the door, that's when I saw the 2 flashes, one from one of the poles over here, and then the pole over here behind us.
He says the howling winds brought back memories of some of the worst storms he endured in his native Louisiana.
It reminded me of some of the experiences I had back in Louisiana with a hurricane. Specifically, the one in mine was, which I call my Katrina, was Hurricane Betsy. I think that was in '65.
The winds left their mark from Howell to Homedale, where 3 people survived a giant tree crashing through this home. Police say no one was injured, though the house is now deemed unsafe. Restoration workers say there's no real way to prevent something like this from happening.
With a big oak tree like that, I don't think there's really much you can do. You can't see something like this happen.
Officials with JCP&L say out of more than 140,000 affected customers, more than 85% had their power restored Monday.
We have more than 500 line workers that are engaged in this effort. They're going to continue working around the clock, 24 hours a day in those 16-hour shifts to get everybody restored as fast as safely possible.